We're on a snatch and go change out. We got a new Ameristar train. We're going to be putting in down in the basement. We're getting rid of this old thermal zone, and we're going to put in this another Ameristar. It's a 410A unit. The thing about this unit is it's kind of like a rud. It energizes the reversing valve on the B terminal. So that's the only difference, really. Everything else is the same. A regular standard heat pump. So we're getting this one's got to hit the road. The situation with it is it blew out the compressor terminal, but
there's no power to it.
Should be safe. Yours will probably fit better.
Out there.
Yeah, I gotta go get my cone sprayer unless you got one. The cone sprayer?
I've got one out there somewhere. I don't know. Oh.
Let me go grab mine.
Yeah. Nice.
Typical out with the old and in with the new. 4-inch cap, so I can slide in some tube on it. Extremely windy. Let's go ahead. Get some of this here. Pull that back. Everybody knows this trick. Go ahead and roll my condenser around here. The ceiling's dripping off. Maybe bring it out just a little bit more. So it looks like the dryer is going to be roughly there, and the dryer going there. That's all good to go. And you know how I like to take my Schrader valves out. It's a pet peeve of mine. Always take the Schrader valves out. I tell that technician, and they come in here and they install these units. They leave the Schrader valves in. They don't wrap them with a wet cloth. The next thing I know, they got a leak, and I'm back in 4 to 6 months replacing the Schrader valves that they melted and recharging the unit, charging the customer. Here we go. Let's get rid of this. About 2. So then wrap this around here. Go around my suction. And my liquid. Wrap this one around here. Follow recommendations of the manufacturers. And we will get us some put me in 90 right here. It'll be about right there. Half inch 90. Here we go. Set it to 40 degrees, good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're on 310 pounds. Been holding it for a little while now. Of nitrogen. 310 pound holding charge of nitrogen. We're still holding at 305 psi. Start pulling a vacuum and check on James. Full view of Vacaroo. She held 320 pounds of nitrogen for about 25-30 minutes. I just turned the vacuum pump on. So this is good to go. We're at 345 microns. Everything looks good. We're going to blank it off and see how much she climbs. It is 680 microns. It was sitting at 320 something, so I can safely say that we have a dehydrated system. Alright guys, that's it. The unit is started. The unit is running. And we are good to go.